Welcome back to Tech Notice, guys. My name is Lauri, and of course, today in this episode we have something awesome. We have something big. This is the Asus Zenbook 13-inch laptop unboxing. Let's do the unboxing. We have the box over here. Let's look at some of the specs over here. It's blue, apparently. Full HD 13.3-inch screen. Video RAM of 2 GB. CPU Intel i5 8250U. 256 GB of SSD. 8 GB of RAM. And then all sorts of other stuff. But the most important thing is what is inside. Now we have a proper Asus seal over here on this side, so I'm gonna break the seal now. Seal done. Let's put it back down and ooh, wow, look at that. You have to see this. In search of incredible. Now we have the laptop over here. Wow, that is thin. That is really, really thin. I'll put this on the side so we can see what else is in the box. We have quite an interesting like Tetris going on over here. So let's see which comes out first, or how do you do it? Oh, okay. Let's open this one. There is a microfiber cloth over here. So nice little Asus in search of incredible. Put this on the side. We have a bit of literature, some more literature over here. And then we have something else. What is this? Oh, this is a cable tie. Asus cable tie. Very interesting. Okay, let's see what else comes open here. It's like an interesting box of unboxing. Oh, that whole thing came off. And then we have the power brick. Very nice and small. I think that's it. I think that is literally it. Okay, let's have a look at the laptop. The box is pretty nice. It says Intel inside. And let's put the box on the side here. Now, the laptop. Wow. Look at that. That shine. That metallic shine, glossy look. It's blue, obviously, as you can see. And then there is a blue gloss kind of finish on the top, but underneath there's like a brushed around metal look. So then obviously in the middle here we are greeted by the Asus logo. Then on the back here, you can also see that there is a Zenbook series. Little sign over there. Then what is on the left side? On the left side we have DC in power. Then we have a full-size HDMI port, as you can see over here. Then we have a USB-C, and then 2 indicator lights. There is a battery indicator lights and probably like processing indicator light on the side over here. Can you see that? And then on the other side we have micro SD card slot, headphone slot, and we have a USB socket. Only 3 things on this side. What's inside here? Okay, that is pretty nice, I shall say. Look at that. Wow, Harman and Kardon sound. And yes, we have a very, very slick fingerprint reader on over here. This laptop also is touchscreen, and it is pretty powerful for what its size. So look at that. So this is like slim. Let me see, how can I show you how slim this is? This is a knife blade, and then this is the laptop. It is really slick, really cool. On the back, this is like a matte blue, matte like aluminium blue back. These speakers over here, which are Harman and Kardon speakers. Fun fact about this laptop, the screen of this laptop has 100% sRGB color gamut endurance and very accurate colors. So it is also very good for editing if you're doing maybe photos. I'm not sure if it's that good for video. If you're using Premiere Pro, it's probably gonna lack a little bit of power. It would need a bit of a faster graphics card as well as the processor, but it could probably handle a decent amount of full HD video editing, but just be mindful of the long rendering times. Also, the laptop has a full-size keyboard over here, as you can see. Feels really nice typing over here, like very slim typing experience. Not too clicky or not too, but I wouldn't say it's as good as the Apple keyboard. I've got a MacBook, so just that's what I'm comparing it to. And it's a little bit, when I'm pressing down in the middle, just tenderly, you can see that the whole keyboard is kind of bending down, because obviously probably there's no support there in the middle. So it's a little bit flimsy in terms of that. Also, did I mention that it has a touchscreen? And because it is a touchscreen, that's why you need the microfiber cloth. It all makes sense. It all makes sense. So some other facts about this laptop is that it has a very powerful, a very long-lasting battery inside. They state that it can last up to 14 hours, but that's not it. It also has a fast charging brick, which means that, as they state, that in 49 minutes or 50 minutes, it can charge up to 60% of the battery. So it takes 49 minutes to charge your battery up to 69%, which is very, very good. So altogether, this is one of the smallest and most powerful laptops in the market at the moment. So it's only 13.3-inch wide monitor. It's really slim and small and thin laptop, and also packs a lot of power and long-lasting battery life. So it's very good for editing photos, good for editing full HD video. I wouldn't go for 4K video. And it all comes in a pretty reasonable price. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. So thank you guys very much for watching this episode of Tech Notice. Hopefully you enjoyed this little short unboxing experience of this Asus Zenbook laptop. Just remember, the link is in the description if you want to check it out, if you want to find some full specs and details, because this wasn't a full review, it's just an unboxing experience with just a little bit of specs. Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing, because more content like this is coming out every single week. So I hope to see you soon, and please, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like in the section below, and I'll see you very soon next week, Friday, 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.